Welcome to Module 3. In this session, we are mastering operational scalability through content management and AI workflows. Our central objective today is learning how to scale your production volume while maintaining premium brand standards and professional data publishing parameters. Up to this point, you have learned how to build a strategic multi-channel calendar and script high conversion copy. However, a brilliant strategy can easily fail if your operational execution is slow or inefficient. In this final module, we bridge the gap between creative production and technological efficiency, mastering WordPress publishing rules, collaborative artificial intelligence workflows, and advanced asset multiplication models. Let's head into part 1 to master WordPress. We begin with part 1, WordPress mastery and optimization. Our goal in this phase is transforming a standard website platform into a fully compliant corporate publishing engine. Your website serves as your digital headquarters, housing your foundational content assets. To ensure that search engine scrapers and AI summary systems can catalog your insights with perfect clarity, your backend publishing mechanics must remain flawless. Let's look at the strict structural criteria required to satisfy modern platform validation rules. Let's analyze professional CMS standards. Your central website content must be formatted cleanly to satisfy search validation checkmarks and ensure seamless consumer readability. This process requires a systematic approach to formatting layouts and layout elements through 3 technical steps. First, maintain a clean, logical heading structure. Organize your text fields sequentially from H1 down through H2 and H3 subheadings to construct a clear information hierarchy. Second, verify clean slug taxonomy lines. Keep your URL parameters descriptive, concise, and clean, completely excluding unnecessary punctuation or random characters. Third, embed custom featured media. Ensure every image or video is accompanied by relevant descriptive tags, custom alternative text properties, and detailed descriptions. To ensure your published articles perform at an elite tier, we follow strict SEO plugin grading rules. For instance, we can use rank math. So we go with the rank math optimization standards in this case. 1, we do heading integration. You must deploy your designated focus keyword naturally inside your main H1 title at least once within your H2 tags and across supporting H3 elements. Next, we have the introductory flow. Position your target focus keywords seamlessly within the beginning paragraph of your text. And to maintain professional formatting standards, remember to not apply bold typography treatments to your keywords. Another rule is density and distribution. Distribute your focus keywords evenly throughout the text. Keep your language exceptionally simple. Write freely and completely. Write freely. Then let's talk about AI assisted content production. With our publishing standard completely secured, we can focus on scaling output speed. This brings us to part 2, which is AI assisted content production. The rise of generative language tools has completely transformed digital marketing operations. However, a major gap has emerged between generic low-effort automated content and true editorial leadership. As digital executives, we do not use technology to replace human critical thinking. Instead, we use it to eliminate operational friction. Let's explore our hybrid content production model. Let's look closely at the hybrid production model to understand the exact division of labor between technology and the strategist. Artificial intelligence serves as your ultimate research assistant and ideation catalyst. We leverage these models to map out initial concept frameworks, brainstorm diverse content angles, and structure article outlines and optimize our initial working drafts at high speeds. The human strategist, however, owns the vital final layer of quality control, injecting real-world case experiences, enforcing strict brand narrative values, and ensuring complete factual accuracy. We treat generative systems as powerful tools to accelerate research and design foundational blueprints, not as a replacement tool for human insight. To ensure this hybrid production model remains flawless, every single output must pass through a strict brand voice filtering process. We review AI assisted drafts against our 4 quality filters. First, verify that the framing is active, positive, encouraging, stripping out any negative or forceful terminology. Second, ensure the content balances educational problem solving with a soft, natural pull towards your core consultancy call to actions. Third, ensure the language remains exceptionally simple, welcoming, and easy to read across demographics. Finally, perform a clean formatting sweep. Ensure there are no unnecessary punctuation marks that break your text flow. Now, let's look at the ultimate framework for content leverage in part 3, which is the asset repurposing and scale workflows. The hidden drain on many marketing departments is the constant pressure to create entirely new content from scratch every day. True operational scale is achieved when you extract maximum value from every production hour by transforming a single foundational asset into an entire ecosystem of multi-platform social touchpoints. Let's break down the exact technical workflow we use to multiply our reach. Let's analyze the hub and spoke workflow. This framework treats your long-form media as a central anchor that feeds your peripheral channels systematically. Instead of treating your blog, your short-form vertical feeds, and your professional text platforms as separate chores, you view them as interconnected spokes of a single wheel. By extracting high impact moments, converting raw audio transcripts into detailed written text, and adapting strategic takeaways into bite sized micro insights, you achieve complete multi channel omnipresence without expanding your production hours. Let's map out this distribution matrix. Let's look at the 1 to 10 asset matrix to track how one master production hour scales into 10 custom platform assets. The core hub is one long form video. This is your primary deep dive educational asset published directly to your central website video directory or primary channel hub. From this hub, you extract 4 vertical clips. This isolates your absolute sharpest, high retention insights optimized specifically for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and short form video feeds. Next, you build 2 deep articles, turn your spoken transcripts into comprehensive written blog posts, perfectly optimized with your focus keywords for WordPress SEO authority. Finally, you curate 4 social posts. Extract quick tactical takeaways, summary checklists, and micro insights tailored specifically for professional community networks and text platforms. When you successfully combine professional CMS standards, collaborative AI workflows, and the 1 to 10 asset repurposing matrix, you establish a fully automated, omnipresent brand engine. Your marketing operational efficiency will skyrocket. Your brand will maintain a highly professional, deeply consistent presence across every major discovery terminal, which meeting corporate leaders and clients exactly where they choose to learn. You save valuable hours while expanding your visibility exponentially. This lesson has delivered an advanced operational blueprint covering professional WordPress publishing alignment, collaborative AI research workflows, and the technical steps of high volume asset multiplication. Now it's time to transition this strategy into measurable operational scale. The assignment for this under this module is for you to run an optimization check on your WordPress heading layout, establish your AI brand voice prompts, and structure a complete 1 to 10 repurposing workflow for your very next video asset. Securing this operational efficiency is vital as you complete this course and prepare for future modules. So take action, work on your review today, multiply your content leverage, and I will see you in the next module.